Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will try to change the blades in a Snapper Pro S50 XT. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. This mower includes an electric PTO clutch to engage the blades. For safety, you may begin this procedure by disconnecting the negative cable from the battery and disconnecting the spark plug wire from the spark plug. This is not shown in the video because the deck belt was already disconnected. As seen, the adjustable wrench was set on the fastener on the top of the spindle to help hold the shaft in place. A link to change the deck drive belt will be displayed at the end of this video. While loosening the bolt at the bottom of the spindle with a socket, the blade was held by a piece of wood. With the bolt removed, the blade is set free to also be removed. The blade removal process was repeated for all three blades. With the blades removed, we can compare the old with the new. Compared with the new, the old blades rounded out from the top and the bottom of the cutting edge. The new blade was then installed with the bolt and wood block to hold it. The bolt was then torqued to specification using a torque wrench. The blade installation process was repeated for all three blades. With the blades installed, and to conclude this video, grease was added to the fittings at the top of all three spindles as a part of routine maintenance. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.